Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with...
Me.
What's your name?
Mayank.
With Mayank. Today we're going to do page 6 in the writing book. We have to turn off the light because we're going to pretend we're in a dark castle with no lights on. And the only way we can communicate with each other is by tapping on the stone wall. So close your eyes and I'm going to tap a message. Close your eyes and listen.
Ah.
Now open your eyes. Now you tap the message back. Try to copy what I did. Ah, you matched it perfectly. Now you can circle this trumpeter. She's a trumpeter at the castle. Good job. Okay, now close your eyes again. I have another message for you. Ready? Close your eyes.
Ah.
Oh, close your eyes. You're peeking. Now open your eyes. Copy my message. You remember what I did? You need to hear it one more time?
Yeah.
Now you copy. Perfect. You can circle the next trumpeter at the castle. Are you writing silly messages? What did you write? You're in such a silly mood today.
Don't think you get silly.
Okay, close your eyes again. I have to tap another message. This is going to be a harder one. Listen very close. Can you copy that message, please? Not quite. Listen one more time. Listen one more time. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you try.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
You did it! Okay, I've got another hard one. Ready to close your eyes?
Yeah.
Your eyes are still open!
No, we circled all of them.
Well, we have to circle them all in purple. Not yet. You didn't do the message yet. Here, listen again. 1 and 2, 3, 4.
1 and 2, 3, 4.
Not quite. 1 and 2, 3, 4.
1 and 2, 3, 4.
Yes! You can circle Dallas, the trumpeter. Okay, here's another one with the 8th notes. That's a little bit hard. Close your eyes and listen. Okay, can you try that one? Not quite. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
1, 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Yeah, you nailed it. Now you can circle Martha.
Do you have a bedroom here?
Do I? Yes, I do. This is where I live.
Where's Kinky the cat?
He lives outside. He's my neighbor's cat.
Let's say Victor and Hugo are both brown.
They're brothers. Kingsley has to stay outside.
Black and brown are both dark.
Yeah, kind of dark, kind of an orange
Yeah.
color. Can you circle this music friend right here? Okay, we have 2 more. This next one will be really easy. Close your eyes and listen. Can you copy that one? Easy peasy. Let's circle this one again. Okay, last one of all. Close your eyes. Not quite. Listen again. 1, 2, and 3.
and 3, 4.
Yes! Okay, let's circle this one. And now, because you got all the messages right, the castle trumpeters will play. Hooray! You get to put a sticker on the page. Good job, Mayank. Can you give yourself 2 thumbs up?
I want to color the traffic lights here.
Mayank, look. Look over here.
Color.
Can you give yourself 2 thumbs up? Because you did a really good job.